Alright, here is one of my two Hampton Bay Camera 2 Pluses. I got these off of OfferUp, along with a 1997 Hampton Bay Grayton. Uh, this is from February of 2004. I always thought that these fans were kind of interesting because these came in several different finishes and each finish, well, mostly each finish had different light kit combinations. This one is in the Rustic Stone finish and has a Hamilton light kit, from what I've been told. The White Camera 2 Plus shares the same light kit. I personally love this finish, but I do also love the brush steel and chrome finishes as well. As you can see, well, I'm not sure if you can see, but it has plastic Hampton Bay poles, which I don't really mind, but I prefer the I prefer the metal ones. So yeah. Another thing that I find quite interesting is the decorative cover for the reverse switch. Um, Now, you might notice that Hampton Bay is sort of a theme on my channel, and you're probably wondering why that is. Now, I know a lot of people give Hampton Bay crap because of how cheap their fans are. Um, but me personally, I like a lot of Hampton Bay models, including some of the crappier ones like the Huntingtons and Graytons, mainly because they're childhood. Um, and and plus for a Hampton Bay fan, this is actually pretty good. now now if you don't like Hampton Bay, then that's fine with me, as long as you're not being a dick about it. So anyway, before I turn the fan on, I'm gonna give you a few shots of it. Okay, now with that done, let's turn the fan on. But first, let's show the light. There's that. Here's here's low. Oh, and what I forgot to mention at the beginning is that the only thing that this and the other Camera 2 Plus are missing is the cover for the bottom part of the motor housing, but I don't really think that's really important. So, oh well. Okay, here's medium. For some reason, I think the medium speed on the Cameron 2 Pluses is sort of like a low on a 42-inch fan. I don't know. That's kind of what I see. And it also doesn't really wobble as bad as I thought it would, because a lot of the other fans that I put up here, when I put them on medium, they wobble extremely badly. But that doesn't appear to be the case with this one, so that's good. Alright, last but not least, high. On high, when this makes like a like when you first start this up, it makes like it does make a little bit of a humming sound, but when it gets going, it eventually shuts up. Yeah, this fan doesn't actually wobble that bad, so that's good. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it off. And there you have it. That is one of my two Hampton Bay Cameron 2 Pluses. And I hope you enjoyed. Peace.